You won't want to miss this move-in ready home. It is located off Highway 276, which is convenient to John King and Highway 30. The roof has radiant barrier, 48 solar panels, and a 25-year transferable warranty. The downstairs has Italian-styled tile throughout. Upgraded appliances and various windows have been replaced. Upstairs are 4 spacious bedrooms with new plush carpet and new paint throughout. There is also a bonus room upstairs which could be used as a living room, playroom, game room, and more. The downstairs is complete with 2 living areas, a formal dining room, and a breakfast room. The oversized 2-car garage has a workshop and extra parking outside. This corner lot comes complete with a large fenced-in backyard that backs up to a greenbelt for privacy.